Hi there guys, it's Mike from the Academy team, and today we're talking about gimbals. I'm here to look at the Alpha 1000 from Feiyutech, which is perfect for advanced compacts and mirrorless cameras. Okay, so this is the Alpha 1000 3-axis mirrorless camera gimbal from Feiyutech. Let's crack open the box and see what we have inside. So your box will come packaged. There's a nice carry case in there. Okay, we can pop that down. So you have a nice carry case with the handle on top, which will be really handy just for keeping everything neat, and it will fit nicely within other bags for your kit. Let's unzip this here. What you'll get when you open it is there is an envelope, and this envelope very kindly says hello, and will have your English and Mandarin instruction manuals. It also has your warranty cards. So let's just pop that over there. Now, to keep everything in case you don't zip it properly, there is a second lid, which is Velcro. So it's just 1, 2, and 3. Little tab here and a lift, and we have the gimbal itself. So we'll take it out in order. So we have the gimbal, and it's held by this strap. So this strap keeps it from rattling around, keeps it in its folded position. And we just undo that, pop that, leave that in there. And you have the gimbal itself. Okay, move the box over to the side, and we're just gonna pop that there for now. You also have the handle, which is just here. So the handle, and we have batteries in it currently. So the batteries are just here. 2 batteries, which are interchangeable. And you get 2 more here in the box, so you can always have a spare set charged. And then you just have it. Do that. A little protective cap there as well. Pop that there for just now. You get a little tabletop tripod, which will attach to the bottom, which will be handy for when we balance the camera on the gimbal. Well, the batteries, there is a 2 battery charger with the corresponding micro USB just there. And finally in the box, you have the little Feiyutech box here, which has 3 cables inside it. So we have one for Canon, this is to connect for time-lapse mode, for Sony, and for Panasonic. So let's put the gimbal together. So we'll just quickly Okay, so now that we have our gimbal out of the box and put together, we need to put a camera on it. So I'm going to use this RX100 Mark V. Now, of course, cameras like this already have in-body stabilization. So be sure to turn that off if your camera has it, so that the gimbal does the work and your camera's not fighting the gimbal. You need to make sure that you take off the plate. There's a little release catch here, and it's just a case of, okay, it's there, and pop and pull. And just like any other tripod, what I like about this is that it has both the little handle for turning, it has a coin slot, and it has an Allen key hex, which just gives lots of options for making sure you've got a good attachment on your camera. And I'm just going to quickly get that nice and tight, and make sure that it's facing forward, because this is where the gimbal will then be nice and straight. Line it up so that this is facing you, that this is on your left side, and this is on your right side. And just line it up using your push button. Line it up and tighten. So I'm using the tripod just for now. You can also just do this with an offhand. So you have your controls here on the back. So you have your joystick, you have your power button and you have your photo button. So if you are using the connections and plugged in over here, you plug into the camera, you can stop recording or take photos from here. So let's just quickly turn this on. Press the button, it wakes up. There we go. We're going to do the same to the camera, because when the lens opens, it can adjust. Okay, and we're good there. I don't need glow tripod now. So take that off. Just put it over there. And as you see, we are nice and stable, and the camera will keep pointing where I want it to point. So when you plug the cables in, the button here will allow you to press and work that way. And you also have your trigger for controls as well. Lots of things you can do with this, of course. There's the pan mode, the follow mode. When it's on a tripod, you can actually set it to work like a time lapse. It is Bluetooth enabled, so if you have your smartphone, you can go with the Feiyutech app and you can make sure that everything is controlled and everything is balanced, and you can set certain motions over certain times. And when it's connected, it will actually work the time lapse function for you. So that's just a quick look at the a1000 from Feiyutech. I'm just going to now power it down and it will go to sleep. There we go. Be sure to power off your camera as well. Thank you so much for watching. For more products from Feiyutech and anything else, you can check it out at jessups.com, visit any one of our stores. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon.